Stop scrolling! Alam mo ba na may AI na kaya i-convert ang buong YouTube video mo into a structured summary, a visual mind map, and even a podcast?
Okay, so you know how it is, you're always trying to find that edge.
Right.
I know. Like the newest tools or hacks or whatever it is.
Welcome to Buhay Pinoy, kung saan ang AI ay hindi lang para sa tech experts, kundi para sa lahat ng Pinoy na gustong gawing mas madali, mas mabilis, at mas smart ang content creation. Ngayong episode, ipapakita ko kung paano magagamit ang Notebook LM, ang pinaka-underrated pero sobrang powerful na AI tool ng 2025. Think smarter, not harder. The ultimate tool for understanding the information that matters, built with Gemini 2.0. Ang Notebook LM, sabi nga dito, is your personalized AI research assistant. Pwede kang mag-upload ng mga sources, PDFs, pati yung URL ng websites, yung YouTube videos, audio files, Google Docs, Google Slides, kasi ang Notebook LM will summarize them and make interesting connections between topics, all powered by Gemini 2 ng Google. Meron din siyang instant insights at pwede kang mag-listen and learn on the go with one click. Yan yung tinatawag na podcast na kinikreate ng Notebook LM. Ito pa, power study. At tutulungan ka rin itong i-organize ang iyong thinking. Just as Notebook LM to identify trends, generate new product ideas, and uncover hidden opportunities. Ang daming mga magagawa dito sa Notebook LM. Kaya, umpisahan na natin ito para ipakita kung gaano ito ka-solid. Ginamit ko ang unang video natin dito sa Buhay Pinoy bilang test subject. Yes, yung video na to mismo. Ganito ang gagawin natin. Upload ka lang ng YouTube link. I-upload ko yung unang video natin sa Buhay Pinoy. Ipipress ko itong insert. Boom! In seconds, Notebook LM created a full summary. Tinanong ko siya, ano ang pinaka-highlight ng video? At ang sagot, precise. Parang nakinig siya with full attention. Let's explore the features. Parang AI research team sa bulsa mo. Feature 1, Smart Summaries. Mas mabilis pa sa kape. Kaya nitong i-digest ang buong content at ilabas ang key insights. Perfect para sa freelancers, marketers, students, or vloggers. Feature 2, Conversation Starters. Nagbibigay ito ng mga tanong na pwede mong gamitin sa meetings o content engagement. AI-powered talking points. Go! Ito na yung mga tanong. Halimbawa, number 1, what is the primary goal of Buhay Pinoy YouTube channel? At pagkatapos, ito na yung sagot. The primary goal of Buhay Pinoy is to explore and simplify the use of generative AI in text content creation for everyday life. Feature 3, audio overview equals podcast version. Ibig sabihin, gagawa ito ng isang podcast na pwede nating pakinggan. Listen to this. Notebook LM just turned my video into a podcast.
Okay, so you sent in this YouTube transcript, and it's pretty interesting. Mm-hmm. It's from this channel called Boo AI Pinoy.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, even the name itself kind of gives you a hint, right?
Right away.
About what they're trying to do.
Yeah.
It sounds like bringing generative AI, you know, the kind of AI that can make text, image.
Blue often represents innovation, trust looking towards the future.
Makes sense.
Which aligns perfectly with what they're doing with AI.
Yeah, and the white and light blue accents.
Yeah.
Give it like a clean... See what you say. And it's great that there are resources like Boo AI Pinoy.
Yeah.
To help Filipinos navigate this new world.
Definitely.
So yeah, definitely check out Boo AI Pinoy.
I think I will.
See what you think.
Yeah, sounds like it's worth a look.
For sure.
Thanks for bringing it to my attention.
Of course.
It's always good to see people making AI accessible.
Absolutely.
Especially for specific communities.
Yeah, it's about making it work for everyone.
Exactly.
And that's what Buhay Pinoy seems to be all about.
I'm excited to see what they do next.
Me too.
Merong breakthrough feature ang Notebook LM. Ito ang tinatawag na mind map. Literal na visualization ng ideas. Mind map? This is wild. Notebook LM automatically turns your content into a branching mind map, showing main ideas, subtopics, relationships, and flow. Parang neural network ng utak mo. Pero AI ang nagdrawing. This is gold para sa mga planners, creative teachers, students, kahit sino na mga gusto ng visual structure. Tignan mo to. Grabe. Diba? Ito na yung pinaka main tree sa mind map. Buhay Pinoy AI channel. Yan. Pwede ko siyang i-collapse. Tapos, pwede natin tignan isa-isa. Nakikita ninyo, inorganize niya. Parang bullet points. Yung content ng Buhay Pinoy AI channel. Pwedeng i-expand, kagaya nito, generative AI use, daily life, content creation, work business, personal use. At hindi lang yan, lahat ng ito pwedeng i-expand. Tingnan natin itong tagline. Sa tagline, merong bringing life to content at saka the Filipino way. And under it are enhancing creativity, easier expression of thoughts, engaging, and high quality. At alam nyo ba na meron pang detalye ang bawat isa nito? Halimbawa, pag kinlik itong enhancing creativity, ito ang detalye niya. Discuss what these sources say about enhancing creativity in the larger context of bringing life to context. These are the details provided by Notebook LM using nga yung mind map features nito. 'Di ba? Nakamamangha. Kaya doon sa mind map natin, kumpleto 'yan. Lahat ng elements na nakikita natin dito sa mind map, may mga details ang bawat isa. Halimbawa, tignan ulit natin itong channel focus. Mga elements under it, yung simplifying AI use, Filipino-centric content, fun and relatable approach, accessibility of AI. Pag kinlik ko itong channel focus, eto, discuss what these sources say about channel focus in the larger context of Buhay Pinoy AI channel. Binigay niya itong breakdown na ito, democratizing AI for Filipinos na meron pang mga detalye under it, broad application of AI, Filipino cultural relevance, practical guidance, and many more. At ang reference niyan na pinagkunan niya ng information galing dito sa in-upload kong URL o link ng YouTube channel ko. From the source video that I have uploaded, it created a mind map. And from the mind map, nag-create siya ng mga detalye. At ang bawat detalye nun ay clickable at ito ang content. Ngayon, sa content na ito, meron din siyang mga references na nilagay. Kagaya ito, yung mga, kung makikita nyo, yung number 1. Pag kinlik ko yung number 1, ipapakita niya yung mismong source narratives from the video itself, yung sa source na in-upload ko. Let's see. From one of the element ng mind map, which is yung channel focus, it creates this information. And from this information, makikita ninyo na merong mga numbers. Itong numbers na ito ay details nung source information. Exactly kung ano ang content ng source information, ito yung detalye nun. Halimbawa, ang sabi dito, kamusta mga ka-AI? Welcome sa unang video ng Buhay Pinoy. Pakinggan din natin yung mga sinasabi doon sa original video nito. At mapapansin ninyo, yan mismo yung mga binanggit o narratives doon sa video na yon. Kamusta mga ka-AI? Welcome sa unang video ng Buhay Pinoy. Ako si Ayon at kung gusto mong malaman kung paano mo magagamit ang generative AI para sa pang-araw-araw na buhay, nasa tamang channel ka. Dito sa Buhay Pinoy, hindi lang tayo magtuturo ng AI para sa trabaho o negosyo, kundi para sa lahat ng Pinoy na gusto ng mas madali, mas mabilis, at mas creative na paraan sa paggawa ng content. Kaya, kung gusto mo ng AI assistant na hindi lang basta smart, kundi Pinoy smart sa pang-araw-araw na gamit, subscribe na, click the bell, at i-share mo to. Tulungan nating malaman ng buong bayan na may AI na ganito kagaling. Comment mo nga sa baba, anong content ang gusto mong i-convert sa Notebook LM? Buhay Pinoy, AI mo, AI ko, AI nating lahat. Kita-kits sa next video.